This PI test. PI test is done by HT transformers and HT motors only. This is not for LT motors.
Okay.
This is only done by 2.5 kV, sorry, or 5 kV. So basically PI test is one type of IR test only. So in IR test we direct given 5 kV and we take IR value. But in here, so 5 kV value get by 1 minute value by 10 minute. So 10 minute value by 1 minute value. So it must be more greater than 1. There is no units. So is in case of is less than 1, the PI value is less than 1. So that transformer or HT motor is not in good condition. So main purpose of PI test is used for the purpose of is used for cleanliness and what is the condition, is a good condition or bad condition. It is only for PI test. So basically PI test is but 4 types of components currents are there. One type capacitive component current, second conductive component current, and surface leakage component and polar molecule current. In capacitive component, whenever we get DC supply to the insulator, so it's a exponentially high charging current. When charging current is exponentially decayed, it becomes to 0. It takes at least 1 minute value. That's why whenever we test IR value, we will take at least 1 minute value. So the main because of capacitive component current. Whenever the capacitive component 0, then we will take the Megger value. IR value is 1 minute value. And conductive component current. Conductive component current is each and every material. There must be some conductive component, whether insulator, whereas conductor, whatever is some conductive current compulsory flows. This will be taken as conductive component current. And surface leakage current. Surface leakage current is due to dust particles and any abnormal leakage, like summer condition and rainy condition. That some dust particles will be laid there. So that's component current will be added. In polar molecule, its polar molecules is the polarization current will be applied to the DC in insulator. So whenever DC voltage applied to an insulator, some polarization current will be flow. It exponentially decays. At least it will take 10 minutes value. So that's why PI test is done by 10 minute value by 1 minute value. So it should be more greater than 1. So in transformer GT, UT, ST transformers, it must be 2.5.